Very often, fire spreads from one living unit to others, despite fire compartmentation. One major reason for this is the gaps in eaves required for venting of the attic, or unprotected cavities and voids that allow a hidden fire spread. SECURO has developed a new vent design called Firebreather that allows air transfer for venting while instantly blocking any fire spread. The instantaneous action is provided by uniquely designed heat sink components which interact. Several fire-blocking phenomena make sure no flames penetrate in the first minutes of a fire. This makes Firebreather products superior to both mechanical fire dampers and intumescent fire dampers. Product tests by Warrington Research resulted in SINTEF certification approval of the Firebreather eave vent. The following test simulates how a fire breaks out of a window and spreads to an eave overhang. It will demonstrate the unique properties of Firebreather. The top image shows the test mock-up and fire development in front. The lower image shows the eave construction from the rear, that is, the protected side as seen from the inside of the attic. In the soffit of boxed-in eave is installed 3 vents. The 2 at the left, as seen from the rear, are 2 versions of Firebreather eave vent. The third is a conventional intumescent damper. On top of all 3 vents, at the protected side inside the attic, are positioned realistic materials that easily ignite: crumpled paper, cotton waste, and wood shavings. To simulate typical breaking of window pane and consequent fire flashover, a steel baffle keeps the vents protected during the burn-in period, in which the crib fire grows to exceed 5 megawatts of power. When the steel baffle is swiftly removed, the fire plume hits the eave construction and vents. Almost immediately, flames penetrate the regular intumescent damper and the test materials are burnt off. In a real incident, this would set the attic on fire. Before the breakthrough of the Firebreather technology, intumescent dampers like this one were applied in a few countries, in lack of a proper uncompromising design. Still, such intumescent dampers may still be offered and claimed as fire-resistant. No embers or flames penetrate the Firebreather vents, however, neither during the first milliseconds nor during the full rated period of fire resistance. As the test is completed, the combustible test material still lies intact on top of both Firebreather vents. The patented design of Firebreather is now applied in many categories of passive fire dampers. FB eave vent is for fire-safe venting of attics and roof space. FB cavity vent is for fire-safe venting of cavities and voids or as an alternative to eave vents. FB air transfer vent is air transfer grills for fire-safe venting of fire-rated walls and decks. FB facade vent is for safe venting in fire-rated facades and substitute opening of windows. Fire ratings of products vary from EI30 up to EI90. For technical data sheets, ordering and price list, go to www.securo.no/en.